quick craft that's circus themed. As you probably know, we here at the Ringling Museum do love the circus, so today we'll be making our own little trapeze artists. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. To make your trapeze artist. We have a PDF online of a template that you can print out and cut out and use as your trapeze artist. That is what I have. But as you know, if you don't have a printer, you can trace it on your computer or you can just draw your own. But if you draw your own, make sure that your trapeze artist has their arms or their legs sticking out because you're going to want to attach it to your trapeze, all right? So don't forget that. So once you have it cut out, like I've cut mine out, you are going to color in your trapeze artist. I think I'm going to use some pink and purple because I like those colors. Maybe a little bit of red. I'll see you when I get done, okay? Don't leave in the meantime though. Wait for me here. So I finished coloring in my trapeze artist. As you can see, I made her look a little bit scared because I think I would be scared if I was on the flying trapeze. But you can make her have whatever face you want. You can even add glitter or stickers or other fun stuff to their costumes. Think back to that circus design video that I did. You can use your costumes for that for inspiration. Whatever you want to do, as always, there are no rules. So the next thing you want to do is you want to grab your string. So this is going to make the trapeze, and you just want to cut a pretty good long piece because what you're going to do is stick it through your straw. And I know my assistant, please, can you not be here right now? You can sit right there and assist, but not on the Anyway, so what you can do with the string is you want to put it through your straw, and smoothie straws or those other so you're gonna stick your string through the straw. Smoothie straws that are really thick with a bigger opening work best, or the straws that you use for things like boba tea. Unfortunately, I didn't have either of those at my house, so I'm just using a regular old paper straw, save the turtles, and you're just going to stick it right through until it comes through the other end. Aha! So you want to thread it through and tie it in a knot at the top. This is your flying trapeze. This is like the little bar that they hold on to. All right, so we've got a knot. We've made our trapeze. Super easy. So now we need to attach our trapeze artist to our trapeze. And it's super easy. Just grab some tape. I have green tape. Clear tape would probably work better, but you know, I only have green tape. So what you want to do is you want to grab a little piece of tape and you can hang them onto the straw either by their hands or you can do it by their feet if your trapeze artist is a real daredevil. But she's already pretty scared, so I'm just going to do it by her hands. So I'm going to take one little hand to the trapeze, and then I'm going to get another little piece of tape and tape her other little hand. Alrighty, and that's it. It's super easy, and now you have your flying trapeze artist. What you can do is you can spin the straw, make her do flips, you can twist it back and forth, make him do some twirls. You can do whatever you want. It's up to you. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I know I did. It's one of my favorites. I think I'm gonna try to find somewhere to hang her so that she can keep flying around on the trapeze. And if you do make a trapeze artist, definitely take a picture or a video and post it in the comments below of this Facebook post, alright? Because I'd love to see what you make. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!